Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to make. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with these craft blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to line them up, and I'm going to be using about 8 cubes. To help give the cube some stability, I'm going to be using a popsicle stick, and I get these from Dollar Tree. I'll be using this blue-black ribbon from Dollar Tree, and this ribbon is really nice because it does come with this self-adhesive backing, so if you see it at Dollar Tree, definitely pick some up. Now I'm just going to flip over the blocks, and then I'm going to be using 6 diamond vase fillers in between each block set. So now I'm just going to line the 2 pieces up and add another row of the diamond vase filler. Here I'm just adding more of that blue-black ribbon along the sides. I'm going to be using this mirror that I had left over from a previous project. And so all this is a Dollar Tree mirror with some bling strip that I cut in half. And so here's what it looks like. For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree glass container, and I'm just going to paint the bottom portion with this translucent Elmer's glue. I'm going to use this purple glitter. I'm going to be using this iridescent bling strip from Amazon. Again, I'm going to be using that same blue-black ribbon that I used in the previous DIY. I'm just going to add some vase filler and a push light, and yeah. And so here's what they look like. What do you guys think? And so guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourself today. I hope that you've enjoyed this video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.